So they know at camp that I'm the Yiddish guy. You know, even though they speak better than me, that I'm the guy who's interested in Yiddish. So I know Yiddish songs. At the Oneg, I'll sing Gehe ich mir spazieren, you know, a song like that, and Hab ich mir einen alten Dime, a drinking song, is der Dime going nicht mein. So they know that I like Yiddish, and I know some Yiddish, and and I've convinced them by that poem that I can speak Yiddish, but actually I can't. So you know, Yiddish is an important part of my work at the camp too, in terms of. Yeah, they know that this non-Orthodox person, I don't wear a yarmulke around camp, or you know, make them think that I'm anything other. They know that the Yiddish is important to me. But for many of them, Yiddish is not an intellectual thing or a new thing. It's part of their personal history. So they won't come to classes very often because Yiddish is not something you study or learn about, it's something you do. So it's a different role that Yiddish plays in their life and the people who do come to class. But the Shakespeare thing interests people get a kick out of hearing. We do not only Mark Antony's speech, but a sonnet, Shakespeare sonnet, with two different translations. One a Gedichte Yiddish, a literary Germanic Yiddish, and one with a more easily understood Yiddish. They find that interesting. And I do Ecclesiastes in Yiddish from Yehoish. There's the time for everything under the heavens, right? A season for everything in Yiddish, and they enjoy hearing that, and I enjoy hearing that, reading that as well. And Song of Songs, I get from Yehoish, and I have English translation, and we do that as a way of Yiddish being transplaced out of place from. So that's an interesting program that's popular in camp, and I use my Yiddish there.